Introducing Optirix Accounting, the ultimate financial tool for auto dealerships. Say goodbye to complicated spreadsheets and hello to effortless management. With Optirix, track every dollar spent and earned for each vehicle, from purchase to sale. Whether you're running a small or large dealership, Optirix empowers you to make smarter decisions, maximize profits, and grow your business with confidence. Start strong with secure instant access. Log into Optirix and unlock the power of streamlined dealership accounting. No delays, no hassle. Your data is safe, organized, and always within reach. Welcome to your all-in-one control center. The Optirix dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view of your business, showing the number of available cars, sold cars, and total inventory. Track your income, expenses, and total revenue in real time, so you're always a step ahead. With Optirix, your dealership's success is just a glance away. Manage your inventory like a pro. In the dealer accounting section, see every vehicle you own, along with essential details like where it was purchased, the year, VIN, make, model, and color. Stay organized with car status indicators, available or sold, and use the powerful search tool to locate any vehicle instantly. No matter how big your inventory grows, Optirix keeps you in control. Optirix makes it easy to manage every vehicle. Whether you want to view, update, sell, or delete a car, it's all just a click away. Need to add a new car? Use the quick access pop-up form to enter key details. Source, year, make, model, color, VIN, purchase price, and more. Once entered, your car is immediately added to the system, keeping your inventory fresh and up to date. Adding new stock has never been so simple. Stay on top of every detail with ease. Click View Car to access the complete profile, including purchase price, VIN, and location. Monitor your profits at the top right corner, where total revenue is always in sight. Below, keep track of all transactions associated with the car. Log maintenance, repairs, or other expenses with detailed descriptions like oil change or brake replacement. Every transaction updates the total revenue instantly, giving you real-time insights at all times. With Optirix, you'll never miss a beat. Close deals with confidence. Selling a car is fast and simple. Just enter the customer's name, contact info, selling price, and sold date. Add any notes to personalize the transaction. As soon as the sale is recorded, the car's status changes to sold, and your total revenue updates automatically. Stay focused on your next sale. Optirix ensures your records stay accurate without the extra effort. Know your numbers and grow your business. The Reports tab offers in-depth insights into every purchase, sale, and transaction. Monitor income, expenses, and total revenue across all cars. With powerful filters, you can track your finances by month or year, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes and how your business is performing. Optirix Accounting makes it easy to spot trends, control spending, and drive growth. Everything you need is just a click away. From the transactions section, click the button to access the full details of any car. Stay on top of every expense and transaction without missing a step. With Optirix Accounting, managing your financial records is smooth, fast, and effortless. Optirix Accounting puts your dealership's finances in your hands. Track every car, control costs, and increase profits, all from one powerful platform. Whether you're adding new stock, or closing deals, Optirix gives you the insights you need to stay ahead of the competition. Reach out to us today via text, call, WhatsApp, or Telegram at +148 458 09040 and let Optirix Accounting take your dealership to the next level.